Okay, I'm recording this video 11:35 UK time, 8th of March 2023. We're looking for the NovaTechFX.com website and absolutely nothing is loading. It looks like this possibly may be the end. We go to isitdownrightnow.com and look for NovaTechFX.com, and we can see that the response time is no response. It's been down for more than a week. And it says NovaTechFX.com is down for everyone. It's not just a local server issue. It's not just you. The server is not responding. Is this the end of NovaTechFX? I don't know. Let me know in your comments. Could it just be a temporary glitch as they continue to wrestle to stop this Ponzi scheme from continuing, trying to work out how they can make this not look so dire? But certainly at the moment, NovaTechFX.com, no response on the website whatsoever.